So you can see I added this latch. It will hook on here. And just press it to release. So it uses a aluminum can spring, like spring that are made from aluminum. Same with this one. And same with this one. So on the electronic side, I added a real-time module to measure time. And I also added this Hall effect sensor. So the Hall effect sensor will be used to measure current, and the clock module will be used to measure how much current is being used for a amount of time. I'm also working on this part, trying to put the ELY on. So the circuit for this to function is pretty big. I cannot put it in any place that would be convenient. So what I have done is to solder all the component in like this. All the component on here into this, but somehow it just doesn't work. I don't know why, so I'm gonna buy another one and just remove the transformer from the circuit and just put it over here. And for this, I'll just shove it over here, I guess. I'll figure it out. This is one of the test runs. As you can see, the whole gun, its weight distribution is not great. Most of the weight concentrates on here. So the balance is gonna be around here, which is quite bad. And when I hold it, it tends to tip up, which is quite annoying. I am like looking for any skill to put more weight on here. I'm gonna add a bipod here and maybe a flashlight on here. Still working on the magazine, as you can see here. So due to the spring, the limitation that I have that I cannot make custom spring. So instead of being able to store 10 rounds, it's just gonna be able to store 5 rounds at most, which is kind of a waste.